Hi all of you, back with another video on Docker. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can push your image on Docker Hub. So as you all know that what is Docker Hub, let me write here Docker Hub. Alright, so this is your Docker Hub. Alright, as you all can see, there you can find any image. Let me write here Ubuntu. You can find image of Ubuntu, and if you write anything else you can write uh, anything. You can write like CentOS. Alright, as you all can see, this is our image of CentOS. Right, now it's time to push your image. First you have to register here. Alright, first you have to create account and register. Alright, I have already created account, so let me log in as I think my name is this, yeah, Sahitya Gupta 25. Now it's time to enter your password. Let me continue. So now you have to log in as this, and where are my images? Let me see, where are my images, my profile. So here you can see there are two images. Alright, so now I have already started my server. So let me copy my IP first. As you all can see that my this Docker server is running. Let me copy my IP of this server, and now it's time to paste here, and yeah, all of the stuff I have already configured. So now it's time to open, login as ec2 hyphen user. Alright, so now as you all can see, I have successfully logged in. Sudo su. It's time to first login as first. Let me start service. First let me start service of Docker. Service Docker start. I think this is the right command. So as you all can see that service is started, and let me check all the images. Docker images. Alright, so these are my images. So now it's time to create a new container. Let me run this command, docker run hyphen it, or let me write, yeah, hyphen it is good. Docker run hyphen it hyphen name, and now it's time to give name. Let me give name like upload, not upload. Let me write push image. Alright, push image. So this is my image which I want to push on Docker Hub. Now it's time to write OS. Let me write CentOS. CentOS. Now you have to write your bin bash. Alright, I think now everything is good. Let me run this command. Now as you can see that I am in the container, so container is created. So now it's time to first let me do ls. As you all can see, these are your files which are your OS files. Alright, so it's time to create something here. Let me create directory mkdir dir1. Let me create empty file as well. Touch file 1, file 2, and file 3 ls. So as you all can see that this is my stuff. Alright, so let me exit from here by writing exit command. So it's time to first login as a Docker. You have to write docker login. Alright, login with your Docker ID to push and pull images. So you have to write here username. What is my username? I think this is my username, Gupta 25. Now it's time to write password. You can't see, but I am writing. Alright, I am writing password, but you can't see because for the security purposes. So now as you all can see, error response from daemon. unauthorized incorrect username or password. Let me see again what is my username. Sahitya Gupta. Let me see the profile. Alright, I have to write in lowercase. Let me run this command. Sahitya Gupta 25. Now it's time to write password again. Alright, so I am typing password, but you can't see this. Let me see it gives error or not. Login succeed. As you all can see, your password will be stored encrypted and login succeeded, which means everything is going according to me. So now it's time to clear the screen, and now it's time to uh, create image by that container which I created recently. What is the command for that? Docker commit. And now you have to write your docker commit. Now it's time to write container name push. Let me see, docker ps hyphen a. What was my name of container? Push image. So push image, I accidentally write image instead of count, which means our container. Docker commit, and docker commit, and your docker commit. Now I think now you have to write your image name push image. Yeah, and now I think it's time to write here the image name. Alright, I want to create image name. The name should be image. Let me write img. Let me write push img. Push img. Alright, as you all can see, my image is created. So now it's time to check as well, docker images, to check it is created or not. So as you all can see, latest one is your 11 seconds ago it is created push img. So now it's time to tag first. What is command for that? Docker tag. Alright, docker tag docker tag push img. So now first you have to write tag. Now your image name push img is my image name. Now you have to write the profile name. Alright, what is my name of profile? This is the profile name. Now you have to write here profile name SHATYA. Now GUPTA 25 / and your what you want to give name. I want to give name project 66. Alright, project 66. Now let me press enter. I think everything is good. Now let me check docker images again. Docker images, let me see, push img. Yeah, everything is good right now. So now it's time to run one more command, docker push. Alright, docker push. Let me copy from here. Alright, let me go upward. Let me highlight this. Now it's time to paste by clicking right click, as you all know. Alright, so now it's time to press enter. As you first let me show you by doing refresh. There is no image as name project 66. Alright, as you all can see here. But if I now press enter using default tag latest, the push refers to repository. Now as you can see that push mounted from the library CentOS. Alright, now everything is going according to me. And now as you can see that, so let me see, everything is good. Now as you can see that this is the ID of image, and this is your size 736. I think it is your MB. Alright, let me see where. If I do refresh now, you can see that there is nothing, but if I do refresh now, so you can see the new image which I post right now. Let me see now. As you can see that project 66 by Saitya Gupta updated a few seconds ago. So I think, yeah, that's about for today. I just want to show you this, how you can do that. So you have to first let me show you the history by writing history command. So this is your history from where. Let me show you where is my scroller. So my histories, today's histories from your from here you can see from 805. This is the history of today. Alright, so you can run commands and you can see, you can stop video and you can see all the commands. Alright, so yeah, I think that's about for today, and in the next video I will show you something more, that how to download that image which I post and how to create container from that. As you all know what is command for that, but I want to show that as well, so I will show you in my next video. Now it's time to end this video. I will meet you in my next video.